Okay, thumbs are still twitching.
Yeah.
No rest for the photographer.
Okay.
Get Hilton saying, "Oh, can't you fly some more planes at Warburg? Come on, front and centre." Yeah. Okay. So, someone want to tell me a bit about this plane? Well, this is one of Lockheed's quick build series, a P-51 Mustang. So it's a nice plane. It's solid and flies pretty well. It's powered by a 3530 motor with a 9x6 prop, I think it is, and running on 3 cells.
What's the weight, flying weight, Geoff?
The flying weight is about 1 kilogram.
Okay. That's about normal for a plane that size, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How's it feel, Geoff? Funny in... not funny ha-ha.
No, it feels a little bit unstable.
All right, okay.
It is not fully retracted, right?
Bit tail heavy, maybe.
No, I think it's pretty good this time.
Okay. Seems to be flying steady enough. Or is that the good pilot? That's your Mustang.
Yeah.
That's your Mustang
Yeah,
that you wanted.
I do like Mustang. Where the fun starts.
Wants to glide, does it?
Yeah, it just doesn't want to
Oh,
push. I can't stop it.
very good. Very good. That was your brake, was it?
Yeah.